first of all, thanking you for this opportunity that we have, that we can see two lives become one. We're asking now that you will turn this place into a Garden of Eden. And what you did many, many years ago, you'll do it again. Be with this ceremony, be with this worship experience. And we ask that whatever is said and done will be pleasing to you in Jesus' name.
I didn't want to start my vows off with a cliche, but nothing else seemed right. I am truly marrying my best friend. 5 years ago, when you forgot about our first date, I didn't think I would be standing here with you today. But that's kind of beautiful. Our love just fell into place effortlessly. Garrett, I promise to choose you and us every day. I will strive to always recognize you as my equal and to remember that it's you and me against our problems. Ooh. I pray to always be considerate of you and to remember that we are here to support each other. I'm more than looking forward to this journey that we're about to take. May it be long-lasting, always fun, and guided and protected by God's grace. I love you.
Val.
He got it. It's here. It's here.
All right, so I was supposed to recite Luther Vandross lyrics. My first, my last, my everything. But very white. Oh, that's even worse. See what I do without my phone? Todd, you are my everything, and I am so grateful for you. I just love you. I'm more excited for the future, for our family, and just the growth, everything, you know. You really are a true partner in crime. You know, when you take all the mugs from the beer from the bar, you're still in glass bottles.
Oh my gosh.
The glasses. But anyway, I'm just so ready for this, and I'm in it. You know, I'm in it for the long haul. This is it for me. This is it. I'm just waiting to build with Langston. You know, but yeah, I love you. I hear her move. Ty, please say something. This is nerve-wracking. Alright. Thank you. You got that good smell.
I got it right.
Hey, that's first date. This is the one I saw too.
It is?
Yeah, I said that's the one Todd got. Thank you.
Look, I don't see nothing. Oh, goodness. Oh, my God. I need to get you. Oh, my God. I wasn't expecting to see you.
Thank you.
They got it wrong. I messed that shot up.
No, it looks great.
Look at you with the princess looking everything. You look like your mom, like way back. Goodness. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
You're ready.
I'm not.
You are.
I love Garrett, though, but I'm not ready for this.
You're ready.
I'm ready.
Thank you all for coming out. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate our new family. To my sister, Tatiana, who has always done her own thing in her own way. If she had an opinion, she would be the first to let you know. So thoughtful, so bold, so spontaneous. For her to have found someone who speaks her language, who is loving and romantic, who makes her smile, who accepts her, just the way she is.
Not only are you moving into matrimony, but you're moving into success. You're jumping into purpose. You're jumping into fertility. You're jumping into prosperity. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Family, I want to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Garrett Wong.